In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unsend a message in Gmail. I'll just click on compose and I'm just going to add some credentials here. So I've gone ahead and filled this email compose interface. And if I click send, you see it has sent, and it has I have 5 seconds to unsend. After 5 seconds, you see that unsend, that undo button has disappeared. Now, you can't change that. It's done and dusted. What you can do, rather, is that you can change the unsend time frame. How long will the unsend button stay there? So just go to settings and then click on see all settings. Now, you want to scroll down and you want to look for unsend. So undo send, and it says send cancellation period. You can change this to 30 seconds. So I'm going to save that right now. Now, when you click or you send a message and you realize that you made a mistake, you have up to 30 seconds to retract that message. So that is how to enable the unsend functionality in Gmail. If you got any value out of this video, please click and subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.